Electrical Globe welcomes you. This video provides information about why three-phase power is superior to single-phase power. A three-phase system requires only 75% of conductor material needed by an equivalent one-phase system. A three-phase system can transmit more power as compared to a one-phase system. A three-phase system provides constant power while a single-phase system provides pulsating power. The efficiency of three-phase operated devices and appliances is higher than the single-phase operated machines. A three-phase system is more flexible than single-phase system as a three-phase system can supply both three-phase and single-phase loads simultaneously. It is easier and more economical to install capacitor banks for power factor correction in three-phase system. Three-phase transformers are smaller, lighter, and cheaper to install and transport compared to single phase transformer. The output rating of machines can be increased by increasing the number of phases in a system. A three-phase supply can be easily converted to a single-phase supply, while a complex system is needed to convert the single-phase supply into a three-phase system. A three-phase machine having the same rating occupies less space as compared to the single-phase machine. Three-phase machines are less costly and more efficient. In a three-phase power supply system, the less voltage drop occurs from source to the load point. A Polyphase alternator can be easily paired and run in parallel operation as compared to single phase alternators having the pulsating armature reaction. Three phase motors have better power factor as compared to single phase motors. In a three phase system, when a fault occurs on one phase, the other two phases continue to supply power. But if a fault occurs on a single phase line, the whole system will have to shut down. Three phase motors are self starting, while single phase motors can't be started automatically. The ripple factor in DC rectified voltage from three phase supply is 4%, while the ripple factor in DC rectified voltage from single phase supply is 48%. Three phase system is better for heavy industrial loads and used for large motors, pumps, compressors, factories, manufacturing plants, and so on. A three-phase system experiences practically zero power induced vibration frequency, but a single phase system suffers from a constant inherent vibration frequency at twice the supply frequency.